So this is going to be another week in my hair. Anyway, last night, I actually did my hair yesterday because I had a photo shoot yesterday. Last night I just wrapped up my hair, and as always I'm in a rush, so this is going to be real quick. I left these little clamps in last night. I actually did give my hair a little bit of a dent, so I'm going to start taking out my clamps at night. Wait, I don't have a dent in my hair, but I wasn't gonna wear my hair down today anyway because it's full of hairspray from yesterday, like holding spray. And also I'm wearing a wool sweater, so I don't want to wear my hair down, which I'm not gonna wear my hair down a lot because it is wool season and wool is guaranteed to break off your hair. Today I'm just gonna do like a really high ponytail. I might do a bun, we'll see. I'm gonna leave my little 2 pieces in the front. And after I did my hair today, I'm like, it is so time for a protective style. Like, I'm over this. I feel like this is the longest I've worn my natural hair out for a minute. So I'm so ready to get a protective style in. So I think I'm gonna try to get it within the next 2 weeks. Okay, so trying to decide if I want to leave my ponytail like this or if I want to do another bun, which I'm thinking the bun. Yeah, I like the bun. Gonna use my Cantu, that's backwards, upside down. Focus, you don't want to focus, okay. My Cantu Extra Hold Edge Stay Gel. Oh, wow. Let me go because I'm running super late. So I will see you guys later. What's up? So today is Thursday and I slept like this with a bonnet on top. And I don't know what I'm about to do with this. I'm most likely gonna put it in the same style I did yesterday. But first I just want to take it down and see because I may just do a ponytail. Do a low pony. I think I want to do my high bunzo. Yeah, we're going to do the bun. Gonna leave a little bit more hair out than I did yesterday. Change it up. I always like to put my head down and try to get all the hair up because I noticed that there's a difference when you do it that way as opposed to just trying to grab all your hair like while your head is up. I don't know, it makes no sense, but it actually makes a huge difference. I low-key do want to put just like a little moisturizer on the ends of my hair. I don't like to usually do it this soon after I wash my hair, but I've been having to wash my hair so often that I feel like I don't have much time where I can add the moisturizer. And the one I am using is the ORS Hair Restore Hair Fertilizer. I talked to you guys about this in a few videos. It doesn't really have like a potent smell like the Mizani Rose H2O, which is the other hair moisturizer that I use, but they both don't cause the hair to revert, like straight hair to revert. Check on my eggs. Usually as soon as I wake up, I boil eggs, like put them on the stove, so that way by the time I'm finished showering, doing my hair and makeup, I'm able to eat. Because I like my eggs to boil for like at least 30 minutes. So this is it. I'm not gonna add any heat to my little tails. I don't know if I want to or not. I do want to show you guys a couple of things that I've made because one, I have to actually give to a client today. And it's like really weird for me because I'm happy that I sold it, but it's also like I want it, but I really can't afford my own stuff. It's really weird, but I'm gonna show you guys a duffel bag that I just did for her. And then I have to take some pants in today that I got made, but they're too small. So he has to redo them, and then I'm gonna get me another pair made in all black. So I'll show you guys those inside. So I got my eggs. I put sea salt and pepper on them. And for one egg, I cut up into 6 pieces, and then the other egg I always do in half. I don't know why I do that. And then in the oven, I have my toast boiling. This is from some Trader Joe's, like multi-grain bread. And then I put, it's not butter, but it is plant butter. Tastes just like butter to me though. Oh, it's with almond oil. I guess when my toast is broiling, I will show you guys my bag. I need to stuff it. Get a better view. It's just like a travel duffel bag, and it has this chain that I like to use. I'm pretty much like almost out. I think I have 3 or 4 chains left, and one is for my mom, so that's pretty much it. And this is out of the camouflage leather that I showed you guys in a few videos ago. It has some pockets in there. The guy who made this did a really great job. It has pockets on the side. I really want to keep it, but I can't afford it. And then the bag is lined. Yep, you definitely get a lot of room. You just can't see that well because it's not stuffed, but maybe you can see a little bit better now. Then I use the giant zipper. Yeah, this is the bag. These are the pants that I got made. These are nylon cargo pants, which I showed you guys this fabric in a few videos ago, and it just has like 3D pockets on the side, and they're super duper long, and they're just kind of like a straight fit, and they're stacked at the bottom. They look really cool on, so it's just too small at the waist. He gave me a 25 waist. I'm like, I'm not that small. So I'm gonna take these to him so he can alter, and then also get me a black pair made. And once they're fixed, then I'll show you guys how they look on. And then when I went to New York, I had picked up this black wool fabric. And then I also got this chartreuse velvet fabric, like leopard print fabric, which I never do. I feel like I always say I don't do like loud stuff, at least in my everyday clothes. But let me get my toast before it burns. I'm designing, I'm always using like some type of, I feel like funky fabric or something, but I always calm it down. So this one I think I'm gonna do like a wrap top. I'm gonna have to get more of this fabric, however, and it's coming a little bit more yellow on camera, but it is a line, which is what attracted me to it. And then this fabric I also showed you guys in another video. It was a it's a laser cut wool. I'm gonna put this on for you guys, but I just did an easy jacket. I'm getting a belt made, so I'm not gonna wear it till I get the belt. And it just has a hood, super easy. I know it's kind of hard to see because I'm wearing all black right now, but you see like the hood here. It comes down, please ignore my feet. It has side seam pockets. And when I get the belt, it'll just tie in the front. But I really like it. It's like an easy, I'm trying to see if you can see it any better in this mirror. Not really. Just like a really easy, simple coat, but it has just some funkiness to it because of the fabric. I'm having fun being my little designer self. That's what I went to school for. So let me eat and get ready because I need to go. So okay, good morning. Today is Friday. I slept with my hair just like in a loose ponytail with a bonnet, and I thought about it this morning. Like, the reason I haven't been wrapping my hair the past couple of nights is because I'm like, I'm not gonna wear my hair down, but I should still wrap my hair at night, even if I'm not gonna wear my hair down the next day, because what wrapping does is it's helping the hair to stay in place at night for the most part. And then because your scalp naturally produces oils, it allows your hair, and especially the ends of your hair, to be able to get some of those oils in there, since it is like right on top of the scalp. So anyway, I think I'm gonna put a little bit more moisture on the ends of my hair. I'm gonna use my hair fertilizer by ORS, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on there as well. I'm gonna do a low bun today. You love me like that. You love me like that. You love me like oh. I'm gonna take a little Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Hair Growth Serum. I don't know if you see it, but it's a little more than I wanted. I don't wanna see your face no more. That's you on the dance floor. If you keep dancing like that, meet me at the jewelry store. I'm at the wife you up. Then I'm just gonna spray my Royal Treatment by Chi for some added shine, just a nice little smell. There we go. Alright, good morning. It is Monday and I'm feeling like I don't know what's going on with me right now. So I'm wearing a wool sweater. So I gotta figure out, I'm just gonna wear my hair back and up out the way. Didn't want to do like just a bun with no part in the front because I don't want to look bald, but I don't really see how else I can really wear my hair right now. I'm not gonna do the little two pieces in the front because I'm like getting real tired of the hairstyle. Maybe I could do a high ponytail like this, right? I'm gonna spray just a little dry shampoo in the root area. A refresher smell. I really do need to go get some more dry shampoo. I should try a different one, but I have tried other ones and I don't know, so far this one has just been the best for me, but I do want to try one or try to find a good one that doesn't leave that residue. I want to try to go kind of as high up as possible so that way my hair isn't touching my sweater. This is definitely going to touch my sweater. So I'm trying to just figure out what to do. Let's see, put this on though. Get this up. I guess we'll do a bun. I can't think of anything else last minute. Yeah, let's try to play with this bun. Got like all of 4 minutes. Video about if my hair has been easier to style with the keratin treatment, and I didn't even think about it, but it actually has been. I don't know what it is that's made it easier to style, but like it is. I'm just gonna spray the Chi Royal treatment for some added shine and hopefully kind of help me to distribute this gel shine a bit. I think that worked out really nicely. Doesn't look like patchy spotches of gel. It's all a little bit more uniform. I'm content with my hair today. I'm surprised. I thought I was gonna have a bad hair day just because it's like looking real rough. So I'm gonna finish getting ready and I'm gonna head to work. Also, I made this, or I got this made, I should say, sweater. It has a matching top, but I haven't finished the top yet. I'm actually gonna make the top. I had a tailor do the sweater, but yeah, another one of my Sierra LeFae originals. I always get a bunch of compliments on it. It's much brighter than it's appearing on camera, but it's one of my favorite little wool sweaters I like to just throw on. All right, so I just left work on my way to get my nails done, but the lady just texted me that she needs like 45 more minutes. So I think I'm gonna go run to Zara to make a return. And then I also now need new pumps for tomorrow, so we try to run to like Nordstrom or something to get that. I ordered this stuff and I'm taking it back. These pants go with that sweater that I wore on Monday, but this is the sweater. So yep, obsessed with the sweater, just the pants don't fit. Not sure if it's looking like a pajama set when I wear it together, although I don't really care about that. And then this set is just like a wool leggings, and they're really warm. And the leggings fit good, but the top is pretty big. I got a size medium, but I should have got a small. And I like it, but I'm not in love with it. So right now I don't have money to just be buying stuff I like. I need to be either in love with, or I need to keep that money in my pocket.
want to thank me for doing all this hard work.